everybody, my name is Hanna Wagnerová. I'm a Czech actress and I just had a workshop with the finalists of Elite Model Look. My thing was to show them that their talent lives actually in their body, to help them to be authentic and full of energy and not to be afraid to present themselves and to have a little fun. And I think it worked perfectly. I'm so proud of each of one of them. My favorite exercise from this workshop was when I pushed them to do lions, they needed to walk as a lion. It brings like energy inside of you and like the feeling of being a lion, which brings you a lot of freedom at the end. You can spread the energy across the room. The secret, I believe, is really in the commitment. Making the choice, being committed and have a self-confidence. I wanted them to be really crazy because if you explore your boundaries, if you go a little more that you would usually go, then you can use this. You have to always stretch these boundaries that you have, as an artist. You always have to try to go a little bigger, and people are very afraid of that because they're afraid that they would look ridiculous, that they would make mistake, but you have to push yourself. They thought oh my God, I look so silly, I did that. You have to be vulnerable, which is very difficult thing nowadays, because everybody tries to look perfect, but you have to remember that being perfect is actually the opposite of art. To be a good artist, to be a great artist, you have to make mistakes because from the small mistake you can actually discover the biggest, the most genius idea. So you have to be willing to look ridiculous, you have to be willing to fail, you have to have a mentor or somebody who is going to help you with your mental health, because this business can be very tough. And unless you are healthy in your head and you're just okay, maybe I face some rejection, but it doesn't mean that I'm not a talented artist. Being an artist is just such a great thing, and this world needs more art.